Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ClickUp reports for workload and capacity, full guide step by step clearly. To set up ClickUp reports for workload and capacity, first, log in to your ClickUp account. Navigate to the left sidebar and select the dashboard option. In the dashboard view, click on the plus new dashboard button at the top right corner. Name your new dashboard, for example, workload and capacity report. Once the dashboard is created, you can start adding reports. Click on the plus add widget button to open the widget options menu. Select the workload widget to monitor your team's workloads. After adding the widget, configure it by selecting the relevant space and list. Adjust the display settings to show tasks by assignee or status. Next, add the time tracking widget to measure capacity. In the time tracking widget settings, choose the same space and list for consistency. Set up the date range for the report to capture the desired time frame. If applicable, enable filters to narrow down the data to specific teams or assignees. Once configured, apply the changes and save the widgets. Review the dashboard layout and make adjustments if necessary. To analyze the data effectively, explore the options for visual representation, such as charts or graphs. After finalizing the dashboard, regularly monitor it for insights on workload and capacity. Encourage your team to provide feedback on the reported data for continuous improvement. Make adjustments to the reports as your team's needs evolve. Ensure to revisit the dashboard periodically to keep it up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.